In today's video, I'll show you how to disable backorders on a simple product in WooCommerce. For this example, let's take a look at this product, which is currently out of stock, but as you can see, it's still available in backorder right here. So if you're looking to disable this feature, in this video, I'll show you the settings where you can do so. At first, let's log into WordPress admin account. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on products, and then select all products. Now look for the product in question. In my case, it's this one, computer desk, and then select edit. Once the editor loads, at top right corner, click on screen options, and then set the checkmark for product data right here. Now scroll a bit down, look for the product data section, then select inventory. Right in here, look for allow backorders, then select the first option, do not allow, then scroll to the top and then click on update. Once the product was updated, go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. And as you can see right here, the product is out of stock and cannot be purchased. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please come on my channel. Thank you.